Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can block someone in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. After you open it, click on the settings on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And what you need to do next is click on privacy. So after you find the privacy settings, you can see the blocked icon. So you can block any contacts if you want, and they will no longer be able to call or send any messages. So go ahead and click on blocked, and you can see that no one is blocked right now. But if you want to block someone, you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and click on it and you will see all of your contacts. Go ahead and select the contact you want to block, click on block, and you will block that person and they will appear in this screen. So I'm going to teach this process to you once again. Open Zangi Messenger app, click on the gear icon on the bottom right hand side, click or scroll a bit down and find privacy settings. Go ahead and click on it, click on blocked. Now this is the blocked section. Click on the plus icon and find the contact which you want to block, and they can no longer send any message to you or call you as well. I hope this video about how you can block someone in Zangi Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.